Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start immediately by checking the shade and doing a 24-hour allergy patch, safety first. Mix the tube contents with the developer exactly. Measure about 30 g of color and 45 ml developer, then stir until smooth. Apply to dry, unwashed hair at the roots first because natural gloss deposits gently and needs scalp heat to activate. Work in 1-inch sections with a dye brush for even coverage. Once done, leave a thin protective barrier at hairline to prevent staining. You continue by smoothing the formula down the lengths. Comb through every 2 to 3 minutes so the deposit is uniform. Because roots process faster, apply there first and wait roughly 10 minutes before applying to mid-lengths, then finish the ends last. This prevents over or undertoning. Monitor the shade periodically in natural light. Glosses develop subtly, so check at 10 to 20 minutes depending on how intense you want the result. Make sure to keep the hair saturated and avoid letting parts dry out. You finish by rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water until it runs clear. This stops processing and prevents residue. Then apply the supplied conditioner, massaging for 2 to 5 minutes to seal the cuticle and lock shine, then rinse. Dry and style as usual. The gloss enhances reflectivity rather than major lift. If the tone is too warm or brassy, rinse with cool water and use a purple shampoo or a color-depositing gloss once to neutralize. If staining persists, repeat a clarifying wash after 4.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.